Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. This is your favorite Asian guy back again with a new video. Judge Cannon screwed Trump badly. Her plan to stop trial backfired. So this is a video that today I'm going to react on. I'm from Asia, I'm interested in US politics. Please excuse my English and my accent. I'm not a native speaker. I'm interested in US politics and I bring a lot of important topics for you daily. And I do reaction on political videos of US. So if you're interested, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's move to the video. Here we go.
Folks, this is a video I like to make where Judge Aileen Cannon screwed herself so badly. As I've said before, her corruption is matched.
By the way, don't forget to check the original video link given in the description by Midas Touch.
When the Fulton County District Attorney utilized the corruption mixed with incompetence of Judge Aileen Cannon to say, you know what? We're going to ask Judge McAfee in Fulton County to set the trial date in the Georgia State criminal RICO case for August 5th of 2024 because Judge Aileen Cannon ain't moving her docket along anytime soon. Now, you can go back to a prior hot take I did on this, or you should watch the prior Midas Touch podcast before Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis even made the motion requesting the August 5th, 2024 trial date. Because let's just say we predicted it here. We nailed exactly what Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis was going to do and what Fani Willis was waiting for. But you may have been asking, why hasn't Fani Willis requested a trial date yet? What was she waiting on? As I said, she was waiting to see, and go back to the Legal AFs where we talk about this as well. I knew she was waiting to see what Judge Aileen Cannon was going to do with her docket. Donald Trump requested that Judge Cannon in the federal Southern District of Florida case regarding the Mar-a-Lago documents, willful retention of national defense information, making fraudulent statements, and obstruction of justice. Donald Trump requested the dates be moved and adjourned, and then Judge Aileen Cannon kept on moving the dates with paperless order. She stayed her other dates and deadlines in early October, then on October 19th. Then she had this November 1st hearing where she was inclined to move the dates. Then on November 10th, she finally issued a scheduling order, and in the scheduling order, she said that I'm going to keep the May 20th, 2024 date. But on March 1, 2024, we're going to have a scheduling conference where we're going to then look at the trial date and see if the trial date of May 20th, 2024 should remain. And as I looked at the scheduling order that Judge Cannon issued on November 10th, I was like, this is pretty pathetic. This scheduling order is like missing key dates. This case involves CIPA, the Classified Information Procedures Act, but I was looking at it and I was like, where's CIPA Section 5? Where's CIPA Section 6? Okay, maybe you don't put Section 6 in the scheduling order. Section 5 is the key CIPA deadline in a CIPA case, which is the defendant has to give notice of the classified documents they're going to utilize at trial. So I'm thinking to myself, how is she going to have this May 20th, 2024 trial date without a CIPA Section 5 deadline? So then Special Counsel Jack Smith swoops in there and gives notice to Judge Cannon and says, hey, Judge Cannon, you missed your CIPA Section 5 deadline, the key deadline in a CIPA case like this one. And then Judge Cannon responds with a paperless order and says, nope, I didn't forget. I'm just going to think about CIPA Section 5 until after March 1 of 2024. So then on the podcast, the last podcast we did before Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis filed this motion, I said, you know what? Fani Willis should swoop in now and say, okay, Judge Cannon's keeping that May 20th, 2024 trial date. Well, Judge, I want to request a date now in June or July, I said. Okay, Fani Willis requested August 5th. I was so close, but I had pretty much nailed down what Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis's strategy was going to be. And so why is Judge Cannon, how did she screw Donald Trump here? Because she kept her May date thinking in her own mind, well, I'm a federal judge, and that means that the state prosecutor must respect what it is that I'm doing here. And if I'm going to keep this deadline, they're not going to make that request during this time period. Well, nobody respects you. Judge Eileen Cannon. You are the least respected judge. You are a MAGA moron judge. That's who you are. You are the worst judge, perhaps one of the worst judges in American history.
Oh.
And all of the judiciary, from the federal judiciary to the state
What do you think
judiciary,
about Judge
think
Cannon?
that you
Please
are
comment
an
below.
absolute clown, Judge Eileen Cannon, because you are. Who doesn't include a SEPA Section 5 deadline in a scheduling order in a case involving SEPA? So ridiculous. So Judge Cannon screws herself here, and then you have Fulton County District. You like my sound effects? Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis then files the motion with Judge McAfee in Fulton County, Georgia. Says, hey, McAfee, look, let's set this date now for August 5th of 2024. Let's have the RICO case. And now where this also screws Judge Cannon as well right here is that now when Judge Cannon has the hearing on March 1 for the scheduling, one of the things that Jack Smith's going to say is, well, you can't have the case in August. That's going to be, well, the Fulton County District Attorney is requesting that case in August. Now, we'll see if Judge McAfee actually sets the trial date for the August 5th date that Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is requesting. But I think McAfee just may. Maybe he sets it then. Maybe he sets it slightly after. Maybe he sets it for September. But I can foresee a world where McAfee actually sets it on that date. Now, Donald Trump's already filed a motion and a notice opposing. Right away, Trump filed a notice in motion opposing the trial date of August 5th, 2024. But let's take a look at Fani Willis's motion right here. Let's pull it up just so you can see how Fani Willis used Judge Cannon's trial date against her. Here it is right here. Comes now the state of Georgia by and through Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and moves this court to schedule trial for the remaining defendants to August 5th, 2024. And here's where it references the other trial dates. Currently, defendant Trump is set for trial in the District of Columbia on March 4th, 2024, and the Southern District of Florida on May 20th, 2024. So, a start date of August 5th, 2024 is therefore unlikely to be subject to delay or interference from these other trials. Additionally, setting trial to begin on August 5th, 2024 would begin trial within 1 year of August 14, 2023, the date of the indictment, and would show deference to each of defendants' constitutional speedy trial rights. The August 5th, 2024 trial date would balance these two scheduling concerns. And so there it is, balancing the issue, balancing the trial dates that exist. So now, what is the ball's in Trump's court? So when Trump opposes this trial date, what's Trump going to argue? Trump's probably going to try to argue, well, the trial date that's taking place in the Southern District of Florida before Judge Eileen Cannon, that's not likely to actually take place in May of 2024. So then if I'm Fani Willis, then I go, okay, if you think that the trial date's not going to go in May, Judge, we have a perfect solution here, Judge McAfee. Then why don't we set our trial date for May of 2020? This is what Fani Willis is going to do. Then why don't we set our trial date for May of 2024? If Trump thinks that it's going to be delayed and that the March 1, 2024 scheduling conference that Judge Cannon's going to set is going to delay the trial date, then that's fine. We'll move this trial in Georgia to the May date, and we can set both of them in May. And when Judge Cannon moves hers to August or later, we could then go then. It also forces Judge Cannon in March to say, I'm going to set my trial in August or whatever she's going to say. So now Cannon has to react to that. And I just love, I don't know about you, that Fani Willis didn't give a crap about Judge Eileen Cannon. Didn't care. And I think if Judge Cannon had acted in good faith, then Fani Willis, I think, would have respected her. But Fani Willis, like we all know here in the Midas Touch community, we know who's acting in bad faith here. we know how Judge Cannon acts. So basically, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is like, all right, clown judge, we are going in August. What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it, Cannon? So great to see, and hopefully that breakdown explained the dynamics at play here better for you. The short of it is, Judge Cannon, in trying to help Donald Trump by protecting that May 20th, 2024 trial date, actually screwed herself because Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has no respect for Cannon and set the date in August. I was like, see you later, Cannon.
So this was a video. What do you think about my 2024 trial? A week ago, a lot of Biden supporters were saying Judge Cannon is in the pockets of Trump. So I was also thinking, okay, Judge Cannon is in the pockets of Trump. What do you think now? What is your opinion about Judge Cannon, the relationship with Judge Cannon and Trump, and what is going to happen in the future? I'm also worried. I'm also interested. That's why I'm doing reaction on political videos. US, please, if you're interested in my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also excuse my English. I'm not a native speaker. I'm trying my best to learn the US politics. So that's why I'm making videos. Please ensure to subscribe my channel. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.